So I bought these cheap parking sensors that you can easily install at home. I bought it from eBay. The link will be in the description. And it comes with 4 sensors. I chose the color silver as it would, as you guys know, it match my car. So these are the 4 sensors that it comes with. And this is the main thing. This is the thing that you will need. It comes here. This is the power box where all the wires and parking sensor monitor would connect. And you would connect your parking sensor through these slots. And this would be your monitor slot and your power slot. Now, so this is what it comes with. 4 sensors, power box, these wires, power wire to connect to the reverse wire. So I'll show you how to do that as well. Then we have the part that we have to drill. They actually send the part with it. So this is the actual part that comes included for the drill. And we also have the monitor itself. That will show us how far we are reversing, and this is the main thing as well. I hope you benefit from this video. Let's get to it. First thing you want to do is drill. But before you drill, you have to mark out the places where the sensor will be installed, the place that you want to drill. So I marked mine here. I use the masking tape so the drill will be lined, same position as the other sensors, so they'll be aligned. And yeah, this drill is out of charge, so I'm left with this electric drill. I would recommend using this drill, but now I've got to use this because it's out of charge. I thought it was charged, but it's not charged. So yeah, what I did, the drill piece that they sent with the parking sensors, I attached it to this drill, and now it's time for drilling. Let's go. So guys, what I did was I went underneath the car and I fed the wire through all one hole. There's like a vent flap. I fed the wire here through this and it's located here. You have to remove the panel for this. So guys, you're left with excess wire once you feed it through the hole that I've shown. And now you want to choose a best place to put your power box, and I would recommend putting it here as it's easy to connect to the reverse for the reverse lights. And I would place it simply here. It's safe down here. So the first thing you want to do is feed these wires. These are the sensor wires there, by going through this way. So where all the other wires are, you go through up this way and it comes out from that way. So yeah, there we go, through this gap. And you don't want to pull too much, so leave that hanging. And the rest of the wires, you've got quite a lot here actually. You would just put them together and just hide it really, and just shove it through there. It's safe, nothing will happen. It's safe, it's all good. Now you get this, the power box, you connect all the sensors in like so. Boom, like this. So guys, here comes the tricky part. This is where you have to connect the reverse wire to the actual reverse wire onto the light. I know the white wire on an Astra H is the reverse wire because I've connected my dash cam, reverse dash cam, onto it, so this won't be challenging for me. So what you want to do first of all is connect your reverse wire to the power slot. Let me show you now the reverse, how I connected the reverse wire. So what I did was the red wire, I connected it to the wires. I've taped up now, you can't really see it, but I'll just show you that the red wire, I connected it to the white cable, you can see here, through here. So the red wire, I connected it with the white wire, and you can't really see it. But the black wire, I've connected it to this brown wire. You'll see a brown wire here, this brown wire. It leads all the way to the other side of the switch. So that's how I connected it. So the black wire to the brown wire, and the red wire to the white wire on the Astra H. So guys, that's where I put the monitor that came with the parking sensors through the panel. So I took it from underneath this panel. Let me just open the door to make it easier for you. So I bring it through this here, and then that's how I bring it to the front. So through this panel, like if I just lift it through underneath here, do you see the wire? That's the wire. So I fed it through here all the way. Let me just show you. So back to the back now. So filled it through here, through this panel here, through here, and then down, and then here, like underneath here. So like put it down through here and there. So that's how I connected the monitor. Right, and the monitor I placed it in there, as you can see. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is how you fit your own parking sensors that looks manufactured made. You won't even tell that you've installed it personally. And yeah. And you still have this much gap, that's fine. So guys, this is a quick update that I really want to talk to you guys about. Now, as you can tell in one of my first vlogs about my cars, I'll put a clip right there, is where I talked about doing any modifications to this car that I currently have. But I have decided that I'm no longer going to do big modifications such as spoiler, exhaust, tinting windows, these type of modifications, because I'm not going to keep this car for long anymore. I've decided I'm going to upgrade this car, switch to a diesel, because I think diesels are better personally, and I want to get a bigger car. I feel like I want to move on to a saloon car or even bigger than that. So this is why I'm not going to do further customizations onto this car. I'm going to do a few here and there, but I will reveal my next car very soon. But I'm just letting you guys know that I'm not going to do any big customizations to this car. So I'm looking to sell this car. So I'll make videos on, like, there's a few scratches here and there around the car. So I'll make videos on how to get rid of these scratches. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe and like and comment down below on what type of videos you want me to do next. I really appreciate the support, guys. I've seen comments on my recent videos, my previous videos. And yeah, I appreciate the support, guys. BH Army, best army in the league. And this is Big Huss, and I'm out. Peace.